Hello everyone, welcome to the Android channel. Once again, today we are looking at yet another Infinix device. This is the Infinix Hot 10T. It's the latest member of the Hot 10 series, at least one that we're seeing in Kenya. This comes after the Hot 10, the Hot 10 Lite, and we recently reviewed the Hot 10 Play on the blog, and elsewhere there is also the Hot 10S. This is the T. Let's see what you get inside the packaging once you buy the device. So here we go. As you can see, in all its 6.8-inch glory, here is our Infinix Hot 10T. Let's put it aside. We'll come back to it in a bit. Going ahead, here's what else you find in the box. In here we have the SIM toolkit, of course, and like we saw with the Hot 10 Play, there's this some X Club coins. This is 1X gold, more paperwork, X-Pack registration. X-Pack is Infinix's e-commerce platform. Here we see clear case, hard shell, and of course they haven't pre-applied the screen protector, so you have it here. The rest of the stuff, it's easy. Here your earphones. Here is your micro USB cable, so no Type-C. And of course, here is your whole adapter for charging. Coming back to the device, as you can see, very well indicated here, we have a 48 megapixel camera sensor here at the back, so it should be here, and of course your quad LED flash. And then the other thing you're also getting, you have another 2 megapixel lens, and what Infinix is calling an AI lens. Basically the same as we have seen in other Infinix devices. Also at the back here you have your fingerprint sensor, then on the side your volume rocker, your power button, very well ergonomically placed, given that this is almost 7 inches, it's 6.2 inches. With my not so big hands here, you can reach both of these. Of course, as always, we have that teardrop, and peeling this off reveals the 6.8-inch display that we're talking about. This is what Infinix is calling ultra smooth display. Why ultra smooth? Because in here we have 90 Hz refresh rate, which is something that we only started seeing in this segment of the market just recently with Redmi, and now Infinix is playing here, and probably this is going to be one of the most affordable high refresh rate displays in our market. The other thing, of course, here this is 8 megapixels, and inside here we are getting a 5000 milliampere hour battery, smaller than what we had in the Hot 10 Play, but that is very well compensated by the other specifications and features of this device. From this paper that I've peeled off here, you can see this one has the Helio G70 processor in under the hood, so that is much better than the G35 that we have here. Let's turn this on. is your screen refresh rate, automatically set at 90 Hz. I'm not sure if you can see this, but you can always scale down to 60 Hz for better refresh rate, or put it to auto switch. You're getting 4GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, and the device doesn't feel heavy, but it's considerably thick. This is 9.2 millimeters. That's all about the Hot 10T. We'll be sharing more on the blog. Thank you for watching.